I'm not really sure how they put that in there. The shaft, bearing, gears, all that assembly, but I'm showing you how I got it out. That escalated rather quickly. A little cut turned into a... Yeah, I'm glad I don't own nice things. Anyway, got the new bearing on. I suppose put it back in the same way it came out with a little modification there. And maybe we'll weld her back up, make it look pretty. We'll see. So the issue I have here is... That thing ain't light. It won't fit. I don't know how they put it in there when they built it. But it'll fit if you, well, it did. It come out of there. Come on. There we go. There we go. We might need to modify it more, because that was not... I tried to get it down through, it wouldn't go down through either. And now it won't go... Huh! Well... Well, sheet. There we are. Like brand new. Well, new. It's got some new parts, all tack welded back together. Ready to go get the shit beat out of it.